Good morning, everyone. My name is Juliana Marie R. Igloria, Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in English. Today, I would like to discuss to you all the vision, mission, along with it is the core values with the goal in our school. First, we have the vision, a world-class polytechnic university. My personal goal with this vision as a BS Ed English major is to contribute to the development of the world-class communicative skills by mastering the art of teaching English so that I can be able to teach the children in our next generation. Mission is to produce global competitive human capital and research innovation for quality lives. My personal goal aligned with this mission could be is to develop the skills and knowledge of English education to become a global competitive educator who contributes to innovate research and practice that involves the quality of life in community and beyond. Core values, we have love of God and country, responsibility, commitment, or dedication to service, and accountability. The goal of College of Teacher Education shall aim to produce graduates equipment with knowledge and skills, or the teacher profession, equip students with teaching competencies in meeting the ever-changing needs of the environment. C, we have provide opportunities to become global competitive professions. D, we have continuously improve program in order to produce employable graduates. E, we have provide students the skills to undertake research work and contribute to the enhancement of quality teaching methodology. F, we have equipped students with appropriate moral and ethical values of the teaching profession. And lastly, G, we have provide students the opportunity to undergo community immersion and service. As a future teacher, this goal emphasizes preparing me to be knowledgeable, skilled, and ethical education who adapted to change, globally competitive, and committed to continuous improvement, research, and communicative engagement. That's all. Thank you.